people, welcome to the second video in this series. I know the first video was amazing and I want to believe that you've been trying out all these things. Even if you haven't started selling, I want to assume that you've started creating your flashcards. If you haven't, this is a reminder. Start now. Start now. We're already on the second video and I'm dropping more fire. Okay, we're talking about the monetary aspect of teaching and what else can you do to boost your income as a teacher. Yeah, I am talking about online tutoring. What does that even mean? Does it mean that you have to go online and start looking for your students? Well, yeah, part of it, but that's not entirely it. I'm talking about tutoring on platforms. You don't have to go and look for your own students. The platform will look for your students for you. All you have to do is tutor. Alright, so I will be mentioning a few platforms. Greatly is the number one platform I would mention. Greatly is fantastic. They have this teachers community. I'm going to drop a link to it in case you want to join. And every month they give updates when they need new teachers. I mean, there are thousands of children in Nigeria and Ghana and West Africa basically, and they have access to a huge percentage of these students, which means that they always need tutors. So this is how it works in Greatly. I have an insider view and I think it's a fantastic experience. You enroll, you have to take a test, of course. You can't just, Greatly is always looking for the best of the best teachers, and I believe I am talking to the best of the best. If you are not yet there, you have to do some more work, right? So you enroll in Greatly, you take the assessments, you go through the interview stage, and once you get in, you can start working. Now it is flexible. You choose the time that is convenient for you. So they're gonna be timetable of students, and you can say, oh, this is the time that works for me, and you get paid per hour. That model is new in Nigeria, but I'm happy that platforms like Greatly is practicing that hourly payment. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just do that first before we continue. Right? When you are ready to boost your income as a teacher, nothing can stop you because there are tons of ways you can do that using technology. Now I've talked about Greatly. Have you heard of uLesson? If you haven't, uLesson, go look for them. They also have online tutoring products, which means that they would definitely need teachers every now and then. What is stopping you from enrolling on their platform? Please go ahead and enroll so you can make some extra income. And of course, it is online tutoring. You don't have to chase your students up and down. You do it from the comfort of your home. All right. And the third platform I will be talking about is Proteach. Have you heard of Proteach? You haven't? Gotcha. Proteach is another online tutoring platform. Now, there are tons of online tutoring platforms within Nigeria and outside Nigeria that you could consider. I have only given you 3 that are within Nigeria, and I believe you can start from there. Nothing is stopping you. You don't know how to create your slides, you don't know how to animate your resources. That was stopping you. That's why this YouTube channel is there. Go through my videos, you're gonna learn how to do that. Oh, did I just hear you say you don't understand technology is not for you? Come off it. If you are watching this video, then technology is for you. Go ahead and watch all my videos. Just you don't understand something, search it on my YouTube channel, you'll find it there. There's nothing stopping you from starting online teaching. And the good part is you don't even have to look for your students, right? These platforms would source for students for you. All you need to do is to be available to teach. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a thing or two. I can't wait for you to start earning some dough. And yeah, I can't wait for you to change the narrative of teachers in the Nigerian society. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when new videos drop. Bye.